is a critical week in the first 100 days of the Trump administration. There could be a Senate vote on the president's Supreme Court pick. And today, U.S. Senator Joe Donnelly announced his support for President Trump's pick, Judge Neil Gorsuch. Senator Donnelly is the third Senate Democrat to support Gorsuch. This comes as Donnelly prepares to face a tough re-election battle next year. The chairman of the Indiana Republican Party released this statement about Donnelly's endorsement, saying, quote, "Senator Joe Donnelly's decision was not the result of dumb luck. It was because Hoosiers from every corner of the state flooded him with calls, letters, and tweets demanding that he respect their will and support this outstanding nominee. There was nowhere Joe Donnelly could go without hearing from us. Our efforts put him in a box with no way out,"